Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu salamu ala rasulillah. So I haven't done one of these in a very long time. And since I'm stuck in wonderful Houston city traffic in the rain, alhamdulillah, I figured I would give you guys an update and kind of reflect on a few different things. Eid, alhamdulillah, came and passed. It was wonderful. One of my best Eids in a very long time. Was able to meet with the beautiful communities at Masjid Istiqlal, Houston, the Indonesian American community. And of course, one of my favorite masjids, Masjid al-Faruq, and was able to see dear friends and people that I've known for a very long time. I've been part of that community for a very long time. So had a wonderful time at both places. You can catch the khutbah on my SoundCloud and podcast account. And alhamdulillah, I'm very happy with the khutbah. I'm very happy with the Eid day. I had a great time with family that day, and with the friends that I was able to see in the morning. After that, got a couple of different exciting projects coming up. One of them is September 15th here in Houston. I am going to be doing a class called Money for Muslim Millennials. Yes, it's a catchy, corny kind of title, but basically, if you just graduated high school, if you're in college, if you're finishing college and you're starting your career, you probably don't know what the hell you're going to do with your money. And I get questions from people all the time about, how do I navigate my retirement accounts? Should I be saving and budgeting? What do I do if my parents are still supporting me? I'm living at home, but I'm working. How can I maximize the leverage that gives me? How can I start to prepare for marriage and start early for retirement and, save for experiences and all that stuff. So we're going to do a day-long workshop. It's going to be the whole afternoon of September 15th from about 1 to 5 p.m. And we're going to be doing it here in Houston on site, and it'll be available online for everybody that signs up online. So for those of you that are online and seeing this, don't worry. You'll be able to access the videos online. And it's going to have all the essential stuff that you need to know to be able to manage your money, or at least get a start. Because, I remember, the first time having to fill out a W-2, the first time signing up for benefits. You really, there's not a lot out there that lets you know what to do. And especially for us as Muslims, we want to be embodying our values in everything that we do, and that includes our finances. And so we're going to cover the scenarios that are related to that. I'm going to be visiting the Islamic Center of Greater Cincinnati in Cincinnati, Ohio, where I will be speaking about doing well and doing good, and how we inject our morals and ethics into our financial decisions. I'm really excited to be visiting that community. I have not visited Cincinnati ever. I think I drove through once, maybe on my way to Michigan. I will also be in Connecticut, Windsor, Connecticut, at Medina Masjid there, doing a lecture on Friday night about depression, suicide, and building empathetic Muslim communities. And then a whole day workshop on my book, 40 Hadith for Financial Success. So go to my website, joebradford.net/events, and you'll find all of this stuff posted on the events page. Sign up to my mailing list, and you'll get updates about it. Also, very exciting thing that I am doing collaboration with my man Muhammad Faris and the Productive Muslim Company, where we are going to do a 6-week money masterclass, where we are going to take you from what you have as far as money and documents and all of this other stuff into building out a budget and understanding where your money is and where it's going and where it could go. And then how do you incorporate the idea of barakah and making your money most effective for this life and the next. And we're going to infuse that into, this is where faith meets personal finance. And so I'm really excited for that. The details are up on ProductiveMuslim.com /money. And you can sign up there. And I think that you're really going to like it. We did a private run of this a while back, and everyone really enjoyed it, and I'm super psyched to be able to teach this again. And the Productive Muslim Company is a company that I highly respect. I love the quality of the work, and I'm really glad to be working with their team there. Mohammed Faris is an amazing individual, and all of his stuff you should be checking out. And if you don't have his book, then you should be definitely, checking out his book. Everyone who attends my course will get a free copy of Simple Zakat Guide mailed to them for free. You'll also get a dedicated Slack channel where you'll be able to communicate with me and ask me questions even off hours, because some of you might want to just not attend live. You want to get the videos and then you want to follow up with questions later. That's going to be possible. And then I will have a few other goodies for you at the end of the 6 weeks that will be announced at that time, inshallah ta'ala. So those are the events that are coming up. Here in Houston, if you're in the greater Houston area, I will be. I teach a Sunday class, a Quran, a tafsir class. We, alhamdulillah, have been going strong for 5 years. So we are going into our 6th year now, and we are in Surah Al-A'raf. And alhamdulillah, we have a core group of dedicated people, and we really want to expand it out and let everybody else benefit. So you can go to isgh.org and look up the Northwest Sunday School, and the details will be there. Join my mailing list. You'll also get the details about this class. If you come to Conrad Sauer, Fall Oak area, the school there, on Sundays from 10:30 to 12 is when we have class. We will not be having class this weekend, however, because it is Labor Day. So a Labor Day, a lot going on here in Houston. We've got the Isna conference that is here locally. I'm not speaking at the Isna conference, but I may stop by the bazaar to try and buy some books. So if you're in town, maybe we'll see each other. I don't know. But I will be busy with family obligations and stuff like that. But I'm going to try and stop by and check out the bazaar and see a few old friends. Let's see what else is coming up. So that's kind of what's going on right now. And I'm actually headed to another thing that you guys should know about. It's an amazing organization that is founded by a Muslim sister, run by Muslim sisters, women-led, women-focused, combating social isolation and loneliness and emotional support for Muslim women by empowering them with the hard and soft skills that they need to get ahead. And it is called Taiba USA. That is TAIBA-USA.org. I am a founding board member. The founder, Suzanne Itani, is one of my friends and mentors and students. We have known each other for a very long time, and I'm friends with her and her husband, her children. Wonderful people, wonderful organization. We do two types of programs. One is called Taiba Talks, and this is where women in the community will come and basically tell their story about overcoming adversity, getting ahead in business, getting ahead in career, their experiences in all of the roles that women fill in our society. And then the other one is called At the Table, and it is a similar program where women will go through a cohort system of learning those hard and soft skills that we talked about. If you want to learn more, go to Taiba-USA.org. We have a fall cohort that's going to be opening up soon, I believe. And I'm not sure for the date, but check it out on the website. And we'll have a spring cohort as well. So any women that are interested can do that. And if you want to bring your husbands or brothers or sons or whoever, we do co-ed. We do co-ed programs occasionally, but not all the time, because it is focused on women, for women, by women, and for the upliftment and power and empowerment of women. Additionally, in September, I am going to be at the ISGH Champions Masjid As-Salam, doing a workshop called Write Your Will, a partnership between ISGH, Islamic Society of Greater Houston, and mywillseeya.com, Islamic Estate Planning Online. And so we are going to do a workshop on how to write your will and what you need to be looking out for with writing a will. So you can catch that. No, that's not going to be available online, but we will have resources that will be available online towards the end of the month, probably. But you can go to isgh.org/write your will, and you can get that information there. So those are kind of the updates of all of the stuff that I am doing or have done or am in the process of doing, other than just sitting here in traffic and trying to move ahead in life. But if you have any questions about any of that, let me know. Hit me up in the comment section, and I'll check you later. Assalamu alaikum.